Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I typically post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, but for right now, I'm just going to be doing Wednesdays. So let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial. I am starting with a 20-ounce hog dool. I got this from the Stainless Depot, and I spray painted it using like a gold or bronze metallic and sweet pea from Rustoleum. And I'm going in a diagonal area, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put on a about 4 or 5 milliliters of epoxy to glitter. I'm going to be using some medium cut and some chunky along with some fine glitters. So I definitely wanted the epoxy to have some decent coverage. So especially those chunky ones can adhere really well to the tumbler. Once that is done, I am going to use Athena by Peach Yellow Glitters and start and do the gold. I did not have gold sprayed paint, and that's why I'm using that bronzy metallic paint. You're not going to be able to see it anyway, but it does give the base something coverage. And I'm just lightly going through the middle of that, and then I'm going to start adding more and more and letting it cascade just slightly into the pink. And next I am going to use Barbie from Peach Yellow Glitters. And this is kind of like a medium cut. So it's not as big as a chunky or fine as, well, fine. So I'm going to put this all over the pink. And you can see that pretty shift that has. And it goes so good with the Athena. I am making sure to get the bottom of the tumbler and that handle as well. Next, I'm going to go back to gold, and this is Goddess. This is a finer cut, and I'm going to put this all over that gold area, making sure that it fills in any gaps that might be missing. And then finally make it pink by Peach Yellow Glitters, and this is going to go all over that other pink. It is a lighter pink, but I did want to fill in any gaps that could be missing from the pink area. And I do have this go over into the gold just to blend those two together. Once this is completely dry, after several hours, I do seal it with a coat of clear Rustoleum clear coat, and then add, I think I added 2 coats of epoxy. And then once I got that done, I did cut out the letter A in a gold vinyl, and then I'm just sealing it with the CC DIY clear coat. And then I thought I was recording, but was not. I am doing a Milky Way here, and so I did a gold, a white, and a pink mica powders mixed into a little bit of epoxy, and just sort of spread those out. I'm using this heat to get it a little movement, but I don't want it to move too much. And I made sure to avoid the A. Once that coat completely cures, then I am taking it off the turner again and sanding any bits that might still be poking up. Only where the chunky was there really anything sticking up. So I did give that a light sand and then clean off the cup. And then I'm going to put the name of the person across the A. And what I did there was I cut out an offset in pink and then the name in gold so that that would pop from the A itself. And the font that I used for the A is just the Times New Roman, and for the name is I Love Glitter. So I place that on top of the A and then pull off the transfer tape. I will seal this again with the CC DIY clear coat, quick coat, and then give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And this is done. And I really hope that the person this was made for really enjoys this cup. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.